Hello everyone, this is the first video of day 14 of 365 days aptitude challenge, and we are discussing a topic which is HCF, and we'll try to solve some of the questions based on this. Alright, so if I have to find the greatest number, see, when I already told you, whenever you see the keywords like greatest, longest, highest, okay, all these are HCF, lowest, least, or shortest, all these are LCM, right? Now find the greatest number that divides 134, 159 and 184, leaving a remainder of 9 in each case. Now here we need to find the HCF of 134 or 159, 184, and which is leaving a remainder of 9 in each case. Basically not HCF, greatest number we need to find. So what is the method of finding it is, you first, what you say, subtract all the remainders from the numbers, okay, all the remainders from these numbers. So what we have to do is 134 minus 9, okay, 159 minus 9, and 184 minus 9. Now this will become 125, 150 and 175. So once you get this, okay, you just have to take the HCF of all these three. Okay, what is the HCF of all these three? ये थोड़ा easy है, okay, because directly I can say the common in all these three must be 25. The common in all these three should be 25. So 25 is the answer for this particular question. So what you have to do, when the remainder is same in each case, to each number just subtract 9, 9 and 9, whatever is given here, and then take the LCF of the numbers or the values you get. Okay, so let's see another question. Now find the largest number that will divide 62, 132 and 237 to leave the same remainder in each case. Okay, यहाँ पे same remainder बोला है, but what is the remainder, that is not given. Here it is given that it's a same remainder, but what is that remainder, that is not given. So what you have to do is just subtract, okay, each number from the other number. So 132 में से difference ले लो basically, okay, difference of these two. Difference of these two is 70. Okay, difference of these two is 70 and difference of these two is 105. Okay, and difference of these two ये कितना होगा, 100 and I think okay, 175, sorry. Okay, okay guys, so let's see ये क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. Okay, okay, so 175 का डिफरेंस हमको लेना है. Okay, so let's take the difference here. This is 70. Okay, the difference here would be equal to 105 and the difference here was 175. And once you get this, just take the HCF of these three. इन तीनों का HCF ले. Okay, now this one is also easy. 35, this is into 2, this is into 3 and this is into 5, correct? So I can say it is 35, which is the HCF here. Now if you are not, मतलब आपको ये directly अगर नहीं करना आता है, okay, so what you can do, as I told, see what is common which can divide all these three. It is 5, which is common here. This goes this many time, this is 21 and this is 35. Okay, anything else? Anything else? I think 7 से सब कुछ जाएगा. This goes 2 times. Okay, this goes 2 times, this goes 3 times and this goes 5 times. Now there is no common here, so 5 into 7, 35 is the HCF. So what you need to do when remainder is same but remainders are not given, just take the difference between these two and do it. Okay, now you do this question. Okay, आप लोग ये question करो. You, this is a homework for you guys. this particular question, you solve it. All right, and comment the answers in the comment section. Next one. Now find the greatest number that divides 51, 65, 79, and the remainders are 3, 5, and 7. So what you will do in this case is subtract the respective numbers, like respective this number and the remainder. इसको subtract करना है. मतलब 51 minus 3, okay करना है, which you will get it as 48. Okay. Next 65 minus 5, which you will get it as 60. Then 79 minus 7, which you will get it as 72. Okay, once you get that, just take the HCF of these three. आप directly कर सकते हो तो करो, आप नहीं कर सकते हो तो what you say, what is a number which can divide all these three? 12. 12 से ये 4 times जाएगा, ये 5 times जाएगा, और ये 6 times जाएगा. Now there is no other common number, so I can say HCF of this is 12, and the answer for this one is 12. Okay, so these are the kind of questions you will get here. So you do this question, you can do this one. Pause the video here and solve this question, and comment the answers in the comment section. All right, so 3 types of questions we have seen. When the same remainder in each case and the remainder is given, okay, you have to subtract the respective remainders, the same remainder, okay, and then take the HCF. Then when it is told that remainder is same but the remainder is not given, so just take the difference of each of these numbers, you'll get 3 difference, okay, 3 different numbers, and you take the HCF of those 3. Uske baad, this one I told you to do. Okay, now here respective numbers are given, respective remainders are given, just subtract those remainders and take the HCF. Okay, this one I told you to do. Okay, this one. Now we have seen this question in LCM also. वहाँ पे LCM क्या था, यहाँ पे HCF क्या है. So HCF of the fractions will be HCF of numerator divided by LCM of denominators. Okay, so HCF of numerators will be 1 only, क्योंकि there is nothing common in these 3, nothing common, right? Or LCM will be 16 only, and LCM will be 16. So the HCF of all these 3, all these fractions will be equal to 1 divided by 16. 1 divided by 16. I hope everybody understood this one, and you do this question. You do this question and answer this one in the comment section. I hope you guys have understood this one. Wherever you feel you have not understood it, just rewind the video and see it. And if there are any queries, guys, okay, you can ask in the comment section also. If not this particular topic, in the previous topics also, or some other topic, if you have any query, you just put it in the comment section. कोई concept के बारे में कुछ पूछना है तो आप लोग पूछ सकते हो. Okay, I will answer those questions whenever possible. I will answer. Okay, I would not say that I can do it immediately, but just try it. Okay, let's see. Because at least अगर आप लोग ये वीडियो में आज रखा है, if you are doing it in next 2 or 3 days, I'll be updated with this video, right? So definitely I may see. Okay, तो मैं देखूंगा तो definitely उसको answer तो करूंगा. Okay, if not me, somebody else will answer. Okay, so that environment I want to create where you guys are helping each other also, and you are taking the help also. All right, so thank you so much, guys. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.